Hello, good day everyone. I'm Teps. Welcome back to this channel. Today's repair is a Fuzion LED monitor. Not turning on. I will show you how to repair it. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
Alam yung tawag dito? SAR grading, mga kaibigan. SAR grading. Ibig sabihin, dahil hindi nila nakuha yung gusto nila, magpapakabitar na lang sila. SAR grade.
This is the power supply. And this is the main board. Since the monitor is no power, so I first check the power supply.
Mag-ingay na kayo kasi hindi kayo naririnig. Hindi man lang kayo tinamaan ng survey. So ginamit namin ng ginawa survey sa Pilipinas. Hindi kayo tinamaan ng survey. Gusto ko rin ako dapat yung self-click pinibibenta na. Tayo ng survey tricks. Yan ang survey nito pa.
Yan yung Bureau of Internal Revenue na nagpadala sila ng demand letter noong nakaraang taon sa pamilya na namayapang si dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Sr. hinggil sa sinasabing utang nila sa buwis na naabot sa 203.819 billion pesos. Ang pahayag ay nagugat matapos igiit na aksyon demokratiko ang partido ni Presidential Candidate Isko Moreno na bayaran ng pamilya Marcos ang kanilang utang sa buwis. Estate tax ang sinasabing utang ng mga Marcos. Ngunit sa paliwanag ng political analyst na si Professor Antonio Contreras, lalabas na mayorya raw ng mga ari-arian ng mga Marcos ay hindi illegal. Ibig po sabihin noon na yung mga ari-arian
Measuring the secondary voltage.
ibig sabihin ay ito po ay sobra-sobra sa legitimo.
The voltage is fluctuating from about 9 volts to 12 volts.
Hindi ng gobyerno. Bakit po kinukuha ng gobyerno ito? Ang dugo po kung iyan ay mapapatunayan illegal, well, hindi po pag-aari yan ng mga
I will try to disconnect the power supply going to the main board. See what happens. Now the voltage is steady. Seems like there is a short circuit in the motherboard. I will disconnect the LCD panel with the main board is connected from the power supply.
Nababalangkas lahat ng issue tungkol dyan. Nakakaroon ng lina. O di hindi mo na pwede.
The voltage is fluctuating again.
Napag-usapan na, ilang beses na. Nabalangkas lahat ng issue. Tapos ang ending, walang naniwala. Doon sa Marcos Lugarao kasi napakaralan. Hindi wala na, hindi na pwede.
Measuring the current going to the main board.
Ano ngayon ang next nila? Anong next ay i-issue nila? After nitong 203 billion tax something. Wala na.
It's only 30 milliamperes. Looks there is no problem with the main board and the LCD panel. The power supply is not giving the right amount of power. This is the main capacitor. Is about 350 volts DC and no problem with it.
magsisisigaw na lang nito yung mga taong desperado na talaga makakuha ng boto. Sobrang obvious na nun. Kaya mga kaibigan,
This is the primary VCC supply. The voltage of it is about 12 volts to 15 volts. Is also fluctuating.
magic. Yan lang, kailangan palaban natin. Kasi, yung 2J, 3E, sila sa yung sagot. Kasi yung biggest political party ngayon,
I will tap a 22 microfarad 50 volts in the VCC line and see what happens. Now the voltage is steady. It's only this capacitor that causes the problem. "10 microfarad replaced to 22 microfarad is okay. Seems okay now.
A few moments later.
The monitor is working now. I hope you have learned something about this video. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also hit the bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Once again, this is Tefts. See you again next time. Bye for now.